So here's Goodreads app book reviews. It's one of the most popular apps for finding some nice literature to read in all genres, in all categories. This app was bought by Amazon, and obviously it has direct access to Amazon and Amazon data and all of that. So that's why it's pretty amazing app, just to find some really nice recommendations based on the books you read and your favorite genres. Also, you can see what your friends are reading, write book reviews, and keep track of what you want to read. It's a free service for book tracking, recommendations, and reviews. And then you can use our barcode scanner next time you're in the bookstore. Add the book in your hands to your want to read shelf and browse reviews before buying. So get personalized recommendations. So yeah, pretty cool. And then you can just open it up, and then here you just create your account just by signing in with Amazon or with with Apple. You can link your Amazon account, and then you can just select in different categories my books. Like you can, for example, see some classics, Pride, Prejudice, Great Gatsby, and then you can just add it. Like I want to read it, for example. And then you can see the story. So that's how it works. Then you can just change status of it. So yeah, that's the idea. Then you can just discover trending with Goodreads members. You can just go and for example, go and discover some nice books. You can see astonishing 260,000 ratings, 38,000 almost reviews. Like you can just go and see like more details, definitions. So yeah, kind of like if you really want to find some amazing books, and just which are getting a lot of ratings with real people, not just some top bestsellers, like you can just find some nice also ratings and everything. It's a great app just for discover some really amazing books. So yeah, here you have it, 1 million ratings. It's like, yeah, this is a top app to basically discover all of this. And then you can just search just by genres. You can set up more topics for you, just depending on the books you rated. Reading challenges, you can add friends, you can find some books, you can find some best books of 2023. Just discard different categories. So here you just have that. For example, you can just so yeah, for example, that's the idea. So yeah, pretty cool app. And then also you can scan books in top here, just use